tá parando com like, principalmente que pessoa assim, polarizada, olha o tamanho desse tornado. É tipo, o apocalipse zumbi no meio do nada. Tenta, ó, não dá pra correr. Calma, moço, dá pra você
Hey,
correr.
that guy's trapped.
Ajuda.
I have to help everybody I can.
Thanks, kid.
Are you okay?
Once I
Não,
get
ele não
the
tá
hell
bem,
out
tá
of here,
perna dele tá enfiado mais na
I've
nossa.
been
Não
hauling
tá bem.
loads way too long in this shithole town.
Tornado só não tá bem, Max. Tem que parar pra fazer
And I
job.
ain't never coming back here. You need a lift?
No thanks. I have to find a friend.
You go, girl. You go.
Cara, isso tá Passar por onde? Quanto tá fechado? Travado. Travado, gerado. Não dá pra pular, não?
Death is everywhere. Following me.
Nossa, eu já matei tanta gente sem querer. Eita porra! Eita!
Evan, see that tornado? Get the hell out of here.
Max, there's no way I can pass up these images. Just look at it.
You can't take a picture when you're dead. Now move your ass.
Okay, if you insist. Whoa, Max! You do know things. I'm such an idiot.
Only if you don't find a safe spot until this blows over, okay?
Now I better listen to the real everyday hero. Come with me.
I have to help somebody else first.
Mano, ninguém ajuda ninguém, gente.
No, you're not dead. You're not. Oh, can't stand seeing these
Tem como
bodies.
voltar lá pra ajudar essa pessoa?
Please, 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 move. Please help me down, Max. I can't think about all those children out there. Mystery solved. But nobody gets a reward.
Não, não tô com direito aqui. Desculpa, eu cancelei pausar e ler. Quem tá precisando me ajuda?
Please, help me get down.
Aonde? Alissa? É, Alissa, como é que eu vou ajudar você, filha?
Help me. Shit. Alyssa needs help again.
Putz, essa menina não precisa ter isso, né? Puta que pariu. Como é que eu vou ajudar você, filha?
Help me get down, Max.
Como?
Damn it, help me. Help.
Tem parte?
Help me get down. Alyssa, are you okay? Let me help you down. Fuck that shit, Max. Whenever you show up, I have to get out of the way. I'm just dead. Ah! No!
Morre, vagabunda. Nossa, dá pra voltar? Não consigo voltar, usar essa lazarenta, mesmo que ela tenha muito.
Help me get down, Max. Alyssa.
Ah, então morre então, desgraçado. Ah, se ferrado que ia ajudar você a perder o tempo. Vai pra merda. Pra onde eu vou agora? Por aqui, gente. Imaginei que ficar meio que um túnel, umas coisas meio bizarras aqui.
How can I get out of here? This makes me so sad.
Ih, eu matei o cara.
Electrocuted.
Gente, eu matei o cara. Acho que eu tenho que avisar ele antes pra ele sair daí, né? Eu não vi o cara lá.
I want to help that fisherman, but he's in shock and he might not hear me.
Quer dizer, eu vou ter que matar o cara mesmo? Ah, desculpa isso. Foi mal. Foi Mal. Quando é minha, se você não foi. So sorry. É Max, você salva um, morre. Cara. Vai dar tudo. Chega lá, entrar, pegar foto, focar na foto, focar na torre, já era. Mano, as baleias, feio, é isso! Mas dá pra tirar foto disso aqui não? Mas oi! Olha isso, velho, puta baleia, nossa, eita! Não, 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 não. Não.
Come on, Max. Stop that fire.
Vou parar o fogo. Você tá vendo? Joga, mas vou parar o fogo, gente. Não. Ai, que droga, como é que eu vou parar isso aqui? Saco! Esse extintor aqui não tem nada. Areia, ah, tá.
Yes.
Beleza, beleza. Aqui eu fui lá no outro lado desesperada. Morrendo de desespero. Tipo, cagar ré.
Damn, this is blocked off. Damn, this is blocked off.
Puta, mas né?
Now I have to find another way into the diner.
Olha lá, ela precisa atravessar a baleia, né? Sei lá. Alguma coisa. Ah, bate um carro. Olha o cachorro do outro. Será que sai dentro também? Ah. Tem uma foto, né? Já que tá aí, né? Aproveita. Precisa voltar uma hora. Sabe?
The monsters are actually the people here.
Sério, tá bom. Ah, tem. Olha, a mocinha morreu. Dó, gente. Caiu.
Evacuation. Once again, this is not a test. This is not a test. An E6 tornado warning has been issued for Arcadia Bay and surrounding
Max.
counties. The emergency broadcast system is now in
Oh,
effect.
Max. Oh, Jesus, I am so glad to see you, sweetie. Are you okay?
Yes. What about you guys?
The Two Whales is barely standing now. I don't know if it's gonna make it through this tornado. Oh, poor Officer Barry and all those people out
know.
there. Okay, get your ass inside. I have to get back to this gentleman on the ground. Lauren has been gathering all the first aid.
It's not much, Joyce, but it's all we have.
You okay, Warren?
How the hell did I ignore all those warnings, Max? The snow? The eclipse?
There's nothing you could do about it, Warren.
I'm so stupid. Should have seen it coming.
So
Hold on.
glad everybody is safe here.
Sting.
But I need that photo from Warren to help Chloe.
Joyce.
So, okay, Max. Excuse me while I go help this other gentleman.
Frank, I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, makes two of us. Now, if only I had Rachel back. Now, Max, what about that info I gave you? Did you and Chloe find out what happened to her?
Ah, eu não vou falar que ela tá morta, velho. Isso que eu falei, deu bosta.
I'm sorry. We had no time to investigate when the storm started.
Não vou falar de
Well, then
novo.
there's still hope. Look, I need a rest now. I'm
Imagina o
wiped
cara tá
out.
desesperado.
Arcadia Bay. I just
Se eu
hope
falar,
Rachel's
pode ser
far
2
away,
vidas perdidas.
laying in the sun, happy. Thanks for trying, Max. So I guess we just wait for the Lord to lift us up. Or not.
Come on, Max. Let's talk over here and give Frank some rest and space.
Joyce, how are you doing?
Just when I think I've already been through the ringer. Where's Chloe?
She's safe, Joyce. She just sent me a text before my phone died.
Oh, thank God. I was torturing myself before you showed up. Oh, God, if something happened to Chloe while I ended up stuck at this diner again.
I'm sorry about all this, Joyce.
Don't be, honey. It's not like you whipped up this tornado on your own.
I mean, I'm also sorry about everything with David.
You don't have control over any of that. David is an adult, and he has a lot more age and experience under his belt. Even if he doesn't always show it.
Well, I didn't mean to take David's side against you or Chloe.
I know you try to see the good side in everybody, and David needs to try that too, but that's not important now.
I just want our lives to be normal again.
With all the shit going on this week, I think you're right. And look at me, trying to keep my family together. Again.
Joyce, you've gone through so much for Chloe and David. If you were my mom, I would be so proud.
Oh, sweetie, thank you. But your parents should be prouder of you. Even David told me how tough he thinks you are. And he doesn't give out many compliments, as you know.
David is a real hero. I don't know what he's gone through in the war, but I can imagine. And he even showed me how to find my own strength under extreme conditions.
I am so glad to hear you say that, Max. I know he's not always an easy person to defend. Most people only see him at his worst. You've seen him at his best. And that's the man I want in my life.
I hate to say I'm glad to see you, but I'm so glad to see you.
That's okay. The important thing is that you're safe. And I know you can take care of yourself after Nathan.
Should have done that a long time ago. But damn, Max. Can't believe you actually drove down here in the middle of a fucking E6 tornado. Just for one photograph? I mean, I know you didn't come for me.
Warren, I came for all of you. Just tell me you do have the photograph.
I just want...
Now shut up and listen.
Oh yeah. You're finally going to tell me what you never did in the parking lot.
I wish I would have. So I'm just going to tell you without any explanation. Trust me, okay?
I always do. You should probably tell me quick.
I had a vision in Jefferson's class of a tornado destroying Arcadia Bay. I went to the bathroom and saw my best friend Chloe get shot by Nathan Prescott. You with me so far?
Where else could I be? Go on.
Then I found out that I could rewind time. And long story short, Mark Jefferson is insane and dangerous.
Whoa. Is that all?
I have to go back in time. Jefferson already killed Chloe. I can't let that happen. I have to do something, Warren.
Max, going back in time is what caused the storm.
All because of me? How?
I'm not a real scientist, even though I play one at school, but this seems like pure cause and effect. Maybe chaos theory. What happened with Jefferson? Did he hurt you?
He used Nathan to get drugs and money for him. Jefferson tied me up and dosed me with some drug and took sick photos of me. It was so horrible.
Max, I'm so sorry you had to go through all that. You're the bravest person I've ever known. You know, I want to kill that son of a bitch.
Mas tá morto.
Where is he?
Dead. History. Which I need to change fast to make it right again. Is that bad?
For every action, there's a reaction. Whenever you reversed or altered time, maybe you caused a chain reaction. Even in the environment.
Mais uma vez juntos. Você acredita em mim? Ai, droga.
You're my friend, Warren. You believe me, right? I haven't told anybody else except for Chloe, and she can't help me right now.
I know I can be a pain in the ass, and you've always treated me like a person. Not a beta nerd. I told you before that I'll always believe you.
I just wish I could trust my powers. I guess we'll never know if it's magic or science.
Even if it's from a wizard or a wormhole. You're part of something bigger. And I don't believe in fate or destiny, but after this week, I realize I don't know shit.
That makes both of us, Warren.
I do know you're here for a reason. And I guess it's up to you to find out why. Max, I'm sorry you got stuck in this. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on.
Meu Deus, para de
But I have
conversar.
total
Chega de
faith that you'll do the
conversar.
right thing when the time comes. I'm so proud of you, Max. How could there be a more important moment in history? And I'm in the middle of it with you. So thank you for trusting me.
Thanks for being here. Always.
Foco na foto.
Hey, be careful out there.
Abraça ele, vai. Dá mais pra
I
dentro dele.
could use a hug before I do this.
Me too.
Beija. Ah, droga. Que lindo, gente.
Better go before I get pathetic and tell you not to.
You're not pathetic. You're one of my heroes. And I'm going to make the right choices from now on. I swear.
That's why you're Super Max.
Super Maxine.
We got no time for this shit. Come on, Max. Chloe. Jesus, dude, what is up with you?
I'm just glad we're here together.
I guess you need to talk. No worries. It's all good.
I'm glad you're with me too. What's going on, Max? We have to find Nathan right now. He's gonna
Sorry,
pay for what
Warren.
he did to Rachel. Let's go now. Chloe, wait, listen. I can walk and listen, okay?
Stop and listen for once.
Fine, Max. I'm listening.
Chloe, you can't go in that party. You're gonna die if you do.
You used your powers, right? And you fucked around with time and I died.
Not like that.
You're supposed to back me up. So there's no way that punk-ass bitch Nathan Prescott is taking me down.
You're right, he won't. Mark Jefferson killed you. And others.
Jefferson, the art teacher? That's bullshit. Nathan is the fucking serial killer. We saw the proof. Now, excuse me, I'm going to that party to make sure he never hurts anybody again. Are you coming?
Nathan is dead, and you're in danger.
That fucker is already dead? How do you know that?
Because I was there.
Will you please tell me exactly what happened? Please.
Jefferson matou Jefferson, a psicopata.
Mark Jefferson turned out to be a psychopath.
Okay, Max. Let's go in there as a team and take his ass out right now.
Chloe. Jefferson drugged and kidnapped me. I was tied up in his bunker.
Jefferson drogou e me sequestrou.
You have no idea what hell I went through to get back here. But I couldn't let you die. You brought me back here, and I can't lose you again. I won't.
Max, I'm so sorry. I was the one who dragged you into all this shit. Nobody, especially you, should have to go through that. Now we have to stop Jefferson. With one bullet.
No, not this way. Chloe, I can't keep fixing everything if all I'm gonna do is just break it over and over again. I know how this is gonna turn out, and I'm afraid I'm fucking up all these alternate realities.
Wait, alternate realities? What do you mean, Max? What did you do?
Escolha terrível.
Chloe, I'm gonna tell you the truth, no matter what. I changed your past, and I had to make a terrible choice, and I...
Max, please tell me. I won't be mad at you.
I was able to go back in time to the last day William was alive. I stopped him from leaving, but you ended up in a car crash instead.
You saw my dad again?
You were completely paralyzed. And you were in pain. You were slowly dying, and you asked me to end your life. I did. For you. I didn't want you to suffer
Ai, Chloe,
in any other
vai ficar com
timeline
raiva
or
e ir
reality.
embora.
I couldn't bear the thought of you in any more pain.
God, Max. That must have been awful for you. I'm so sorry I had to ask you that.
It was worse for you. But I had no idea what would happen, and as usual, I messed everything up, and I never want to hurt you. Ever. You have to believe me.
Of course I do. Do you think I would even know how to handle that situation? Nobody would. The important thing is that we're together again.
You're right. That's why you should come with me, so we can stay together and stay alive.
I hear you, Max, but do you think we should let Jefferson get away with torture and murder?
Of course not. If we tell David, he'll believe us, and he can actually stop him. Right?
I don't get it. Why do you trust him after you totally reamed him the other day? He's not even at our house anymore.
Chloe, David saved me from Jefferson. If he didn't track down the dark room, I'd be dead right now.
Max, I had no clue. I should have been the one to save you, but I'm so grateful David was there. So what's your plan?
We tell him everything, including that Victoria is in danger.
Okay. You've been through so much. I believe you, Max. After all, I'm still your faithful companion.
Yes, you are. So listen, in a few minutes, I won't know any of this happened. Nothing. We absolutely have to stay in your room and do nothing. Then we explain everything to David, and we finally let him do his job. You'll have to tell me exactly what I did and said just now. Just explain that I traveled through time using the photo.
Will you believe me?
I'll always believe you, Chloe.
Nossa. Ai, que medo. Que medo de dar bosta, que medo. E agora?
Oh, Chloe! I see that the real Max is back. So, how was your time trip, dude?
Shut up. Oh, you're alive. You're alive. Oh, both of us. I did so much to bring you back, Chloe. It worked. It actually worked. You're with me
Você tem que
again.
parar de ficar conversando com
Looks like even
retardada.
fate doesn't want us
Querida,
apart.
você sabe.
And traveled through multiple realities just to save my ungrateful ass over and over, and I hope it was worth it, but I don't blame you for wanting me out of your life after all my drama.
Ele acordava no vídeo, jogava um ficar na praia.
I'm
onde
the
as
official
ondas
drama
vão ficar
king and
maiores e
queen
maiores.
of Arcadia Bay this week. Just look at what my powers have caused in just a short time. Nobody.
You're Max fucking Caulfield, Time Warrior. Even if you weren't, you're kind and caring. Nobody could have a better best friend. Nobody. You didn't ask for any of this to happen, but it did. You need to accept how awesome you are.
Maybe I willed it subconsciously or something. I always wanted my life to be special. An adventure. But not without you. And it didn't happen until I moved back here. So, without you, my powers wouldn't even exist.
And for whatever scientific, mystical reason that we'll obviously never
Uma
figure
placa
out,
voando.
we were meant to be together at this exact moment in history. I have to think that Rachel was somewhere behind the scenes,
Eu e a Rita
fighting for justice.
I'd like to think that too. We all owe Rachel Amber. Now tell me everything that happened. You remember, right?
Well, we left the party and made sure Jefferson couldn't find us. For once, I was glad I lived in an actual fortress. Then the storm got hella crazy, and you said we would be safe at the lighthouse.
Chloe, look. The storm is getting bigger now. It's coming closer. Ugh, I can't even believe this is real. This is happening because of me.
Stop it! Stop beating yourself up, okay? We've both paid our dues already on
Vai
it.
dar merda.
God, look at that. Look at that monster. Who knows? This could be Rachel's revenge. Our revenge. The lighthouse is out of the way of the tornado. Come on!
Wait, Chloe.
I've got your back, Max.
Nossa, Max. Tem que desmaiar. Quê?
Alfred Hitchcock famously called film little pieces of time.
I'm
But he
back
wasn't
in
talking about
class.
photography as he
What
liked
the
to
hell?
These pieces of time can frame us in our glory,
Meu Deus, tá
I have to
acontecendo
listen
essa
to this
merda.
Jefferson lecture again.
to shadow,
This
from
might
color
be
to
hell.
chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer
Okay,
who perfectly
this is
captured the
messed
human
up.
condition in black and white?
Am I stuck in a time loop?
Anybody? Bueller?
Diane Arbus.
Be calm
There
and
you go,
don't
Bueller.
freak out.
Why Arvis?
Ai, sai da
Yet.
sala,
Cover images of
inferno,
hopeless
que
faces.
droga.
You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Entendo. Vocês viram aquilo?
Everybody's gone now. Have I totally fucked up time? This doesn't make sense.
O que tá acontecendo, meu Deus? O que tá acontecendo? Bem, galera, vou deixar o vídeo por aqui, tá? Eu não sei o que tá acontecendo. Eu não tô bem, minha vida tá... Ai, sei lá o que tá acontecendo nessa jossa, mas... Mas enfim, obrigado a todos pela companhia. Não esqueça o like, feedback. Se não é inscrito no canal, se inscreve. Se não é inscrito, muito obrigado. Nos vemos na próxima. Até mais. Falou.